In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to explore and shop on eBay more effectively. Whether you're on a treasure hunt for that elusive collectible or simply browsing for something new, this guide will help you navigate through eBay's platform with ease. Let's dive right in. First, to get started, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to eBay's main website. We're focusing on the homepage, a bustling hub for everything from electronics and cars to fashion and collectibles. On this page, you can see a wide array of categories offering almost everything you could imagine buying online. Next, to find specific categories, hover your mouse over the Categories drop-down menu. This action will reveal a list of available categories that eBay offers, structured to guide you easily to various departments. It's a great way to get a snapshot of just how diverse eBay's offerings are. Our journey today will take us to one of the most popular categories, Pokemon collectibles. So, go ahead and click on the Pokemon category. By doing this, you'll effortlessly dive into a world where you can discover a plethora of Pokemon-related items, ranging from trading cards to memorabilia. Now, let's add more precision to our search. Once you're on the Pokemon category page, you can narrow down your options by clicking on a specific type of item. This is tremendously helpful if you have a more defined interest, like looking for trading cards as opposed to clothing or accessories. By clicking on your desired item type, you're taking a more efficient path to finding exactly what you want. Once you've selected the type of item, it's time to get even more specific. Click on a specific item that piques your interest. This small selection optimizes the search by showing a refined list of items under that specific type, which is vital when you're looking for something particular among a vast collection. Once you've zeroed in on the specific item category, looking at individual items is next. Your next step is to click on the desired item that seems to fit your needs or piques your curiosity. This takes you to the individual listing page where you can find detailed information about the item, including seller descriptions and images. Before making a purchase, there's one more crucial step that you should never skip: scrolling down to check the seller's reviews. Seller reviews are like a window into the experiences of previous buyers and can offer insights into the reliability and credibility of the seller. It helps ensure that you're buying from someone reputable and you're less likely to encounter issues. And with that, you now have the essential steps to navigate eBay like a pro. Remember that each click you make brings you closer to finding that perfect item you've been searching for. Good luck and happy shopping.